going to show you how to use Google Slides today. So I've already went to my Google Apps, press Drive, and I end up right here. So what I would do, I would go to New, press Google Slides, and it will show up in another tab. So Google Slides to me also is equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint. So to begin with, you would name your presentation. So this is what I'm naming it, Kanice Slides Project. So for this one, for the first page, what I would do is I would pick out a theme. Let's see which theme I'm missing today. I'm gonna just pick this one. So right here, this is the theme that I picked. So I'll press How to Study Hard by Jayla. So it's about as easy as this. I pressed the theme. I just pressed on where it said click to add the title, and I just start typing. Just like in Google Docs and everything else, I could change the font size, bold, italic, underlining, text color, and highlight color. And for more, I can slide it, align it, I can add comments, and all that good stuff. So let's see. Say if we want to add another slide. So add a new slide. So it'll show up like this if I wanted to add a new slide. I can also change the background. I can move the slide up. I can skip the slide. I can delete the slide. I can even change the theme of the slide. So in order to start your PowerPoint, to say you're in class and you're ready to present, I will press to present right here. Start presentation. And it already started me on slide 1, but I just went back in that arrow to press How to Study Hard, slide 2. So that's basically what I would press. You can also add a comment. You can share, press in advance, and you could copy the link. You can invite other people, add other people, change the access. So let's say if you have a presentation that maybe can help other people, like how to study hard, you can make that open to the web. So basically anybody can have access to this presentation, not just people that you've shared it with. So yes, that's my tutorial on Google Slides. Thank you.